guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be testing out an avocado hummus tortilla. I got the recipe on Pinterest from thewholesomedish.com. The link to the direct website will be in the link down below. This looks like a super simple, easy either snack or a little bit more for a lunch. Looks really delicious and I'm super pumped to do this. So if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. I got going with my tortilla and then I sliced up my avocado. I just made sure not to cut myself and sliced it in the same thickness, scooped it out, which is an oddly satisfying thing to do. And then I had to use up the last little bit of my roasted red pepper hummus, even though the recipe says plain hummus. I figured it's hummus, it's gonna be good. Then I just cut out the bad bits of my avocado, put it on top, topped it with some pepper jack cheese, and then I rolled it up. Pretty simple. I kind of feel like this is like a big taquito, borderline burrito, but still good. And then next step was to bake it. I sprayed it with a nonstick spray, plopped it on, put some cheese on, and baked it. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's done baking. I've never had a baked avocado, so I'm a little nervous about the warm. I don't know. You wanna go ahead and try it out, bud?
I want the red one.
You want the red plate? You want to go ahead and try the taquito though? Okay, ready?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think it's good. I forgot to season my avocado with salt and pepper, so I think that made a big difference. But it's really yummy. Nice, simple, easy snack or lunch like we're doing here. Yeah, I'd rate this probably like an 8 out of 10. What do you think, bud? What if we had this like once a week? You like it? Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below with anything else that you guys want tested. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.